I made multiple videos about how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay, but today I am going to go deep in this and I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how you can dropship and the mistakes that you should avoid and products that you can list and products that you cannot list. Okay, so I'm going to go deep in this, like I said, step by step. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm also going to show you guys how much money I make from eBay. So this video is all you need to start your dropshipping journey. Also, I am also going to talk about returns, what you need to do if someone opens a return on eBay and you are dropshipping from AliExpress. Also, I'm going to show you guys why AliExpress is the best e-commerce website to dropship on eBay. And it's actually like one of the biggest e-commerce websites in the world. And if you are wondering about the shipping time, I am also going to talk about this. And I'm going to show you guys my experience. Okay, so let's get started right now. So a lot of people wonder if the shipping time is a problem on AliExpress. The answer is no, it's not a problem anymore. It used to be, and I was dropshipping from, I have been dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay for like 5 years. And when I first started doing dropshipping, the shipping time was like 30 days, okay, 30 days, almost 40 days sometimes, okay. So, but now AliExpress has changed a lot. Now the shipping time is no more like 7 days, 10 days. Okay, the shipping time is way faster now. Like I don't know exactly what is happening, like the changes AliExpress made, but the shipping time has improved a lot. Now I'm going to show you guys one of the tracking numbers. As you can see, I'm going to copy this tracking number. This is like one of my customers that purchased from my store. Here I have like multiple eBay stores. That's why, guys, I'm making this video. I want to show you guys how you can start this business, how you can make money with this. Okay, because I do make money with this, I want you guys to make money too. Now I'm going to go, for example, to 17 track so that I can show you guys how long it took to ship this from China to United States. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly so that you can see what you need to expect, what you can expect. Okay, so as you can see here, the product is delivered from China to United States. How long it took? It only took, as you can see here, it only took 6 days. Okay, that's how long it took. Okay, that's exactly how long it took. It's not a long time. I'm going to go to another tracking number. Now all these products I'm dropshipping from China, like AliExpress, if that makes sense. I'm going to copy the title, the tracking number, I'm sorry. As you can see, it took 15 days. Okay, so it seems like this is a wrong tracking number because I'm going to check here. Yeah, it seems like this is a wrong tracker because this product has been delivered, and as you can see the positive feedback from the buyer. As you can see, buyer left a positive feedback. So there is like a mistake here on this tracking number. So it didn't take 15 days. I'm sure about this because it doesn't take 15 days anymore. I'm going to track this on another, for example, AliExpress tracking. Okay, I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to paste here the tracking number. I'm going to click on track package, and I'm sure that the item took only no more than 10 days. Okay, so I'm just going to click here on track package. As you can see, guys, the product was delivered in 1 January, and the buyer placed the order on 27 December. So it only took 4 days. Okay, that's all. Okay, it took 4 days. Okay, this product is getting shipped from China, as you can see here. China, United States. Days in transit is 4 days. So now we know that the shipping time is not a problem anymore on AliExpress. Now, next thing I want to show you guys is how you can find the winning products. Now, this is a very, very, very important step that a lot of new sellers don't do correctly. By the way, guys, if you want me to do this for you so that you can just sit back and relax and watch sales notifications, I will do this for you. As you can see, I have a gig here on Fiverr. I will build a passive income eBay dropshipping store. So this is proven to work. Like, I am going to grow your account. If I am not able to do that, I will send you a refund. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, this is the only gig that guarantees sales on Fiverr. Okay, let's get back to the video. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to AliExpress. Okay, now the reason why you need to go to AliExpress is you want to find there are random products that you can search for on eBay to see if there are sellers from eBay selling the exact same product. And this is very important step. Okay, so I'm going to go with a random product here. Now, for example, this taxi product here, it's a LED light. Now what you guys need to do next, you want to copy the title of the product. Now the reason for that, like I said, is we want to find other competitors on eBay that are drop shipping from AliExpress, if that makes sense. Now you want to click on enter, and as you can see here, guys, we have found a guy that is selling this, but it seems like he is not a dropshipper because the item location is from United States. Now, by the way, guys, if the item location here is if you live, for example, in Europe or whatever country, make sure you change the country to United States so that like you will be able to see or recognize dropshippers. Okay, so after that you want to search here for dropshippers. Okay, so how you can find dropshipper, for example, the item location here is from China. Now we want to click on this product, for example. As you can see, guys, the product here, the item location is from China. But does that mean we need to list this? The answer is no, because it doesn't have any sales. Okay, this product, it doesn't have any sales here, so we need to search for another product. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one to see if the product has some sales. It seems like even this product also doesn't have any sale. Now I'm going to search for this. I'm going to pause this. By the way, this is what they don't tell you guys about dropshipping. It's going to take you a little bit. Okay, I am not going to use her software because I don't like using software. I was doing over $10,000, I believe like $8,000 on one of my stores, and I got flagged by eBay since I started using. The moment I started connecting the software to eBay. I'm not going to name this software because I don't want problems with the company. Now I'm going to search for winning products, and I'm going to show you guys why software is a bad idea. Okay, this is the product. It took me, I would say, like 1 minute to find the product. As you can, this is the product. Okay, so as you can see, this guy has sold 3 sales in as you can see. Now, because this guy has he sold like this item 3 times, that means people are searching for this product. Now that's the sign I look for to find out if I am going to list this product on my eBay or not. I have to see if people are going to be interested in this product on eBay, not AliExpress. So it doesn't matter to me if the product on AliExpress has a lot of sales. In this case, it has 41 sales, but it doesn't mean anything, because if people on eBay are not interested in this product, it doesn't mean anything. So this guy has sold 3 items, which is a good sign that we will be able to list this product and get some sales. Okay, now because we already found a winning product, now we can go to his store because he is a dropshipper. The reason why I recognize he is a dropshipper is the item location is from China and the location of his store is Israel. Okay, I'm going to click on the username in the top right left and then click on about, and as you can see, the location is Israel. So he lives in a country and he doesn't ship the products from his country. He is shipping from China. That means he is dropshipping from AliExpress. So this guy, we can copy him. We can go to his store and see all the winning products, and we can list them like easily. We can just copy all his products. That's all you need to do. By the way, when you are trying to list the products, you need to copy the title from eBay seller, not AliExpress, because the title from AliExpress is not proven to work on eBay. People are searching for these keywords on AliExpress, not eBay. So you need to copy what works on eBay, which is the title of eBay seller. Now, because we already found our winning products, we can list this, and we can also go to his store, click on his store username, and we want to see what items he is selling beside this item. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I'm going to click on sold items. Now this guy sold this item, this one, just in 10 January, which is like yesterday. So we need to copy, we need to click here. And as you can see, he sold 11 items, which is a very, very good sign that we are going to get sales with this product. Okay, now I want you guys to download this extension, search for this extension that will help you search for products by image on eBay. As you can see, if you're, I'm going to click right click here, I'm going to click on right click on the image, and I'm going to click on search image, and it's going to take me directly to the product on AliExpress. Okay, it's very helpful. Just search for as you can see, this is the product. Just search here for this extension. I'm going to search for it right now. Search by image AliExpress and download the extension. As this is the extension. Okay, so after guys you download the extension, then you will be able to search by image on eBay, so you can find products easily on AliExpress. As you can see, this is the product. As you can see, it costs like $8, and he is selling this for $33. Keep in mind that he is paying $8 for the shipping, as you can see. Now he can find it cheaper. If you scroll down, you will find like many other sellers on AliExpress selling this for way cheaper than this seller above, as you can see. Now that's exactly guys how you can do this. Now you can copy all the products he is selling. As you can see, this one, this one, this one. What about the returns? Like if someone opens a return on your eBay account, you just go to AliExpress and open a return too. Okay, after you get your refund, then refund the buyer on eBay, or you can just make him you can just satisfy the buyer immediately. You can refund them first and then go to AliExpress and open a keys on AliExpress if there is like something wrong with the item. Okay, so most of the time that's all you need to do guys. If the item is damaged, then just like tell the buyer to give you guys to send you a video proving that the item is damaged, because they are going to ask you for that on AliExpress, just in case they asked you for that. Okay, and after they send you the video, then you want to refund the buyer on eBay and get your refund back from AliExpress. Okay, that's exactly how you can do this. A lot of people ask me if I'm using software for this. No, I don't use software because this business doesn't really take time. It only takes time at the beginning because I have to list like 200 products. It takes me around 4 days to list like 200 products. Okay, winning products. Okay, this is like the method I showed you is the method I use to list 200 products on each store. Okay, now these 200 products are going to generate me over $7,000 a month in sales, not the profit but in sales. So the profit margin I always go with 30%, 40%. Okay, so that's exactly my profit margin. Now the software, I don't use it because it's not really that important, and also when you are like using software for product research, you are missing out on a lot of winning products that you can search for manually. Now the reason for that is because a lot of people use software too, so you are competing with these people. Now if you find a winning product, a lot of people are going to find that exact winning product, and there will be no sales, or there will be some sales at the beginning and then the product is going to stop getting sales. Now my method is I list, for example, 200 products, and these 200 products are going to generate or get sales for even a year. Okay, they will get sales year after I listed the product. That's my experience. So if you want me guys to help you do that, I will leave a link in the comments of this video, and I will show you guys exactly I will grow your account, so you don't even have to do anything. Okay, just click that link in the comments, and I will show you guys how you can do this. Okay, so that's exactly guys what you need to do. If this one helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.